Welcome to Buy Sell Vouchers. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of topping up Free Fire Diamonds. Once you've successfully purchased diamonds from Buy Sell Vouchers, simply copy your product ID provided by the seller. Additionally, be sure to read the description to check the seller's top-up website. For example, in my case, the seller mentions a Garena top-up website. Navigate to the Garena Top-Up Center and choose Free Fire. Now you can log in through your Free Fire attached Facebook account, Google, XVK, or your player ID. For this demonstration, I'll log in with my Free Fire player ID. Once logged in, you'll see the Garena card box. Click on it, and it will take you to the Redeem Code section. Enter or paste the code provided by the Buy Sell Vouchers seller. Once entered, click Confirm. Congratulations! You have successfully topped up Free Fire Diamonds in your account through Buy Sell Vouchers. Thank you for choosing Buy Sell Vouchers.